on their floor. When the floors grew filthy enough, the people would put another layer on the earth on top to bury the garbage. The Trojan built so many layers of dust on their floors, they had to raise the roofs of their houses. You may laugh, but what we do today isn't so different. Ancient or modern, people still have a figured out what to do with their trash. Just today, most people do not throw garbage on the floors or in the middle of the street. Instead, we put it in trash cans. The garbage truck hauls it away and we forget about it. But where exactly is away? When you put something in the garbage, it enters what is called the waste stream. The waste stream is the flow of garbage to its final location. Most of the garbage in the waste stream goes to landfills, areas, areas of land set aside for burying trash. How much trash do we create? The world creates more than 2.6 trillion pounds, 1.2 trillion kilograms of trash each year. That's about what 182 great pyramids of Egypt would weigh. Americans make up only 5% of the world's population, but create 25% of the world's waste. The American create 4.5 pounds 2 kilograms of trash every day. Paper and paper products such as cardboard, packing make up a lot of what American thought. Follow the trash. A garbage truck carries out our trash to a landfill. A truck unloads the trash into a cell or storage space for garbage. Then a heavy truck drives over the garbage with loud squeaky wheels and smashes it down. At the end of the day, a bulldozer covers the trash with dirt so that it less exposed to the elements. Burying the garbage also helps keep out wildlife and produce the odor. Building a landfills vary in size, usually a gigantic hole in depth about 200 feet, 61 miles wide and up to half a mile, 885 miles deep. The garbage can't be dumped straight into the ground through because some of the garbage is toxic. As trash breaks down its toxic parts, mix with rainwater to produce leachate. Leachate is the often toxic liquid that has drained or leached through the landfill. If you picture the landfill like a giant swimming pool, Leachate is a liquid inside. If not collected and treated, the leach will either drain through the bottom or overflow. A heavy plastic liner keeps the leachate from escaping while pipe running through the landfill remove the leachate. Sometimes the leachate is treated at the landfill site. Often, through is sent through the sewer system to the closest water treatment plant. Landfills must also be designed to deal with landfill gas. When garbage corrodes, it creates a gas called methane, which must be released or burned, otherwise it can cause explosions. A term for trash garbage dumped inside the landfill sits for a long time, sealing the trash from air and water in is like mummifying our garbage. Organic materials such as vegetables are biodegradable, and bacteria and other organisms could break them down in a short time. These organisms can't do their job through because they need air and water to survive. The plastic we throw away isn't biodegradable and can take thousands of years to break down. Worse still, the styrofoam cup you toss today could take more than a million years to turn to dust. It can take 30 or 50 years to fill a landfill. Land, Full landfills are often capped with clay plastic material and then the layer of soil to allow plants to grow. Closed landfills can be turned into parks, playgrounds, or open areas. Even after they are capped, though landfills cannot be forgotten. A, a 2008 study found that 82% of the landfills studied were leaking. No liner can keep all liquids out of the ground for all time. Eventually, liner will either degrade, tear or crack, reports the Environmental Agency. When that happens, toxic liquids will escape and pollute the soil and groundwater. Not in my backyard. The United States may have a lot of land, but that doesn't mean it's easy to find space to build new landfills. People often don't want one in their neighborhood because they worry about the noise, pests, and pollution. Some states actually ship their trash across state lines to get rid of it. The number of US landfills is dropping. The country has 6,000 300 open landfills in 1990. By 2011, it has only 2,300 open landfills. The new landfills are bigger and better, but the trucks have to travel farther to reach them. The United States burns more fossil fuels each year in order to lay the trucks to rest. The legacy of trust. We don't know how long it will take our trust to break down or how long the landfill liner will last. What we do now is that each of us has a choice about what we do with our garbage. About half the things we throw away could be recycled and kept out of landfills. We can also reduce the amount of garbage we are creating each day by buying less in the first place. We must we may not throw trash on our floors anymore, but that doesn't mean the things we throw away go away. What will people in the future say